didn't really take the path, you know?
No, you didn't.
Alright. Mark's Molehill. A molehill.
Doesn't sound like anything I want to go near.
I want to go near Mark's Molehill.
Is that like Mark's turtle head?
It's same principle.
Beautiful field, though.
Yeah. You probably think we're nuts.
There's a sign back there that said danger.
Yeah. Dangerous to me. Oh God. Look at this. No, looks like a molehill to me.
Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, it's bound to get real interesting.
Yeah. Just wait till your brothers on the 8-9 here.
I don't think they're gonna do this. You good?
Yeah. I got stuck and couldn't hit the brake.
Okay.
Went into the tree.
Okay, I'm gonna take the cheater line here. I, quite frankly, don't care enough to go over the log.
No.
Okay. Now she gets challenged.
Oh my God, dude.
But I think we're good. Getting back up out of here ain't much better. Alright, first gear hammer down on the right. Try to get up there and pivot turn. Alright, that wasn't much of a hammer down.
Oh, that was nothing, actually.
Yeah. Alright, let me try to get my spot back. Wait, I mean, it might be eaten out enough. You could probably take that left right there. That's
I'm thinking I might be better off with that. And at least if I fall over, I can fall to the right. We can help each other. You can come help me up it or whatever.
Yeah. Okay, never not that bad. Alright, you want me to...
Got it. Whoa! No, I don't.
You did? Oh.
Hit this freaking rock.
Lay my bike up against the tree. Alright, coming. Did you get it? Oh, nope. Don't wrestle it. No point. Alright, you want to hop back on it? Whoa!
No, not really.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, there's a golf ball laying right in here too. Where I saw it.
Nice. I don't need it.
Right there.
Nice. They probably hit him up here from the field.
Sweet. I'm taking this home. Trying to stop me.
Big golfer, buddy?
No, just war trophies, yeah. Oh. Okay. Great.
Okay.
Okay, now this is tricky.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's a rock though, so.
I guess just carry speed and give her hell.
Not bad. No, just got a gooser, bud.
Okay.
Dude, that's gnarly.
On these it is.
Oh, yeah. It ain't even really that big a deal. I mean, honestly, it was really just a bump in the ground. there was a stump in the ground right there, but it was not. Oh, I got off the trail a little bit. Uh-oh, uphill. Oh God, that brute screwed me. Glad I was wearing some good shoes in that one, because that would have hurt if I wasn't. I borrowed Dad's area hiker boots. Watch that that vine. Oh, that one's got some roots in it, so. And it keeps going, so. But not bad. Alright. This looks like it's all on.
Good grief.
Alright, I'm gonna try and go as slow as possible so I don't gain too much momentum. Yep. You back there? Yep. Okay. I'm glad.
Gotta be careful with these though, because if they start sliding sideways, you can't really just flick them back like you can a dirt bike, I've noticed. They're kind of just going in that direction.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. The second you build momentum, you're not, oh God, what's that? You're not getting rid of it.
No.
You cannot build momentum and expect to stop with these things. So, like when you crest over hills, instead of cresting over hills and being able to kind of slow down midway through, you crest over at your slowest speed and you build from there.
Mm-hmm.
Random rocks in the ground too. Another downhill.
Golly, pretty fast, buddy.
Yeah, I was. Backpacks, I think, maybe come loose. I'm gonna check it really quick. That works. Okay. Oh Lord. I'm in the difficulties back here. Not the DR, though.
Oh, buddy.
Slow down in this grass sketch. But you have perfect traction 1 second, and then the next second it might just decide to break loose. Alright, danger coming down here. Pretty interesting little thing. Yeah, that was Mark Molehill.
Nice.
mean, it's good. It's good.